Okay, so in our data, what I want to be able to do is highlight a given number of the highest numbers in regards to the total, or highlight the bottom numbers within here. All right, so I want to see either the top 3 sales here or the bottom 3 sales in regards to column I. And I can change this number to anything I want. So I can say I want to see the top 5 and the top 5, top 10, top 5, whatever. So we're going to start out with the top 3. So I want to highlight this area and have it then color band each of the rows that would give you be the top 3, you know, in regard to the column I. So what we'll do here is we'll click on to our area here, onto A3. We'll do a Control Shift right arrow key and then down arrow key. All right, then we'll go back into conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula, and now that formula is going to equal, and then in regards to this number right here, the starting cell, and of course we'll do the F4 to get just the I with the dollar symbol in it, and then we'll say greater than or equal to, and now here's a new function called large, L-A-R-G-E, left parenthesis, and then we'll select this range here, and then we'll put a comma in there, and then we'll click on to L3. So that's like the top 3. So when we change that, that changes that part there, and it all goes together there. Okay, so we'll close that up, and then to format it, we will make it a light green, and we'll also put the borders at the top and bottom, then hit OK. And there we go, there's your top 3. Now, we're going to do the bottom. All right, so now we've already got that selected, so we can just go back into conditional, new rule, use a formula, and now the formula is going to be, in essence, taking what's in, you know, starting with I3 here, right? So click onto that, F4, comma, and now we're going to say, not comma, I'm sorry, backspace that. And now we're going to do less than or equal to, and now we're going to do small. So that's what that function is, right? Left parenthesis, and again, we're going to select that same range that it's going to be looking through. And then we're going to do a comma, and then we'll click on to M3. There we go. Close that up, and then we'll make this one kind of a reddish color there. We'll go with maybe this color here, and also to top and bottom border. Hit OK, and there we go. And that's it. So now if I change this to a 5, there's the top 5. I change this to a 6. There those are. All right. So pretty slick little deal. Hopefully you can use something like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate it. Take care.